cheese. Say go Kings go.
Kinto.
Go Kings go. Say it.
King Kong go.
Say go Kings go.
Go King go. Go King go. Go King go.
Go Kings go. Who's on your shirt?
No gobble.
Yo Gabba?
Yeah.
Who's on your shirt?
No gobble.
Can you say go Kings go?
King go.
Can you say go Kings? Hey Nick, can you say go Kings?
King go.
Say it again. Go Kings go.
Go King go. Go King go. Go King go.
How about hi goalie? What? What are you watching right now?
Hockey. Hockey.
Who are you watching?
Hockey.
But who?
Hockey.
Who's playing hockey?
Hockey.
Who's playing hockey?